SEC is becoming more engaged, as you can tell,
Mm-hmm.
in the community. I suspect that there'll be some precedents that will come out of the case. And I think that if you look at the way the SEC deals with, you have the enforcement action or the settlement with BlockFi, I think there'll be settlements and actions with other DeFi exchanges. It looks like there's interest in centralized exchanges. You saw the front page of the Wall Street Journal just a few minutes ago announce the SEC's probing Binance in the US. Each of those cases will be informative, and ultimately they'll result in some kind of insight that sets some precedent. I think the industry will benefit as we get to clarity. I mean, the thing that holds the industry back is the twisting in the wind of not having bright line rules of the road. And if you know what the rules of the road are, then I think the marketplace will develop. The elephant in the room here is there's $100 trillion of money not in the ecosystem. And that money is sitting right now in negative yielding bonds and gold and real estate. Mm-hmm. Think about all the money sitting in real estate in Africa and South America. Would you rather own some Bitcoin than that? Probably. How many people would like to change their local currencies, their lira, their pesos, their bolivars for dollars, crypto dollars? A lot. How many people would like to avail themselves of yield and leverage and loans, et cetera? A lot. So there's massive demand. What holds the market back? It's the regulatory obscurity. It's the fear that people have of some regulatory crackdown. And if they actually get clear rules of the road, I think you'll see large corporations build this into their products, right? I mean, when Google and Apple and Facebook are able to build this into their products, we go to a new level. And when someone is able to move $25 billion on the weekend back and forth on a crypto rail, we go to a new level. And so I think that those public companies and public institutional investors and public officials, they're all like waiting to understand, where they can tread and where the third rail is. And ultimately, we're going to get some clarity. The question is, will it be in 36 months or 24 months or 12 months? I don't think it's coming in the next 12 weeks. And I think it's painful if you're an investor in this space. If you're dealing in parts of the crypto ecosystem, there's a lot more uncertainty and risk. And on other parts, there's less risk, but less functionality. And so that is kind of the reality that we're in right now.